Hi friends, welcome to IMIND.AutoCAD. In today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. Remember, the practice file for studying this geometry is provided in the description of this video. I would urge you to open the practice file and practice along with me. So as usual, before we begin with the geometry, let us spend some time in trying to understand how we are going to proceed with this drafting. So after observing this drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be the center point of this circle. So we'll begin by drawing this circle of 16 dia, followed by this circle of 16 radius. Then from this center point, we'll draw a horizontal line of any random length. Then we'll draw another line which would be of any random length but at the angle of 50 degrees. Then from the intersection of this, I'll draw one circle of radius 6 and another circle of radius 12. Then I'll copy both these circles over here. Then with the same center point, I'll draw another circle of radius 65. Then with the same center point, I'll draw one circle which matches this radius, another circle which matches this radius, and third circle which matches this radius. Then we'll fillet these two circles at a radius of 40 and draw this tangential line, followed by dimensioning, and that would complete our drawing. So let me show you how we'll proceed with this drawing. So I'll first pan this drawing a bit to the left, and now I'll begin by drawing circle and selecting center diameter. Then I'll use this as a tracking point. I'll click somewhere over here and give the diameter as 16 and hit enter. Then I want to draw this circle of radius 16. So I'll select circle, center radius. This is the center point and radius is 16 and hit enter. Then I'll use the line command. With the same center point, I'll draw a line. I'll ensure that the ortho is on. I'll draw a line of random length and then I'll hit enter. Then again I'll use the line command and draw one line with the same center point. I'll turn the ortho off of any random length, but the angle they have given is 50. So remember, this is 0, and somewhere over here you will find that the angle would be 50. This is 50 degrees. But I don't want over here, I want the angle should be 50 with reference to this. So remember, in AutoCAD, the angles are always drawn in an anti-clockwise direction. So if you want 50 degrees line over here, it would be 180 minus 50, that is 130. So I'll select this line, I'll press tab and I'll give the angle as 130 and hit enter. Then just to check, I'll go for angular dimensioning and click on this line and this line. And you can see it's exactly 50 degrees. And here if you see it is 130. I'll press escape to cancel the command. Now I want to draw one more line and one more circle, and that circle is of radius 65. So I'll select circle, center radius. This is the center point and radius is 65 and hit enter. Then with the same center point, I'll draw a circle of radius 6. So I click here, radius is 6 and again center radius, same center point, radius is 12. Then I copy both these circles. So I select both these circles, hit enter. This is the intersection and over here. Then I press escape. Then I will draw another circle. I'll select center radius and I'll select this as the center point, this as the radius. Again circle, center radius, this as the center point, this as the radius. Again circle, center radius, this as the center point and this as the radius. Now we'll trim off the unwanted lines. So I type the trim command and I erase these unwanted lines. Now I also want to erase unwanted lines over here. But before that, we'll fillet this at a radius of 40. So I type the fillet command and I type R for radius. Radius is 40 and click on the first object and I also click on the second object. Then I type line and I select tangential to this circle and another line tangential to this circle. Hit enter. Now I type trim command and I don't want this, this, this. So whichever are the unwanted portions, I delete it. And same way over here. Then I press escape to end the trim command. Then I select all my objects. Except the line. And I increase their thickness to 0.30. Then I type CM for center mark and click over here. Also, I want to trim this circle. Then I'll change the color of the center mark. So I select the center mark and change the color to red. And then I type match properties and match the properties of this line, and this line. Then I press escape and our geometry is complete. We'll begin with dimensioning. So I first select radius dimensioning and click on this inner radius 6. Again radius dimensioning, outer circle radius 12. Again radius dimensioning, this circle radius 65. Again angular dimensioning, this line and this line 50 degrees. Again diametric dimensioning, click over here and again radius dimensioning, so select here. Again radius dimensioning, select here. Again radius dimensioning, select here. So friends, with this we have finished this geometry. In this video tutorial, we have studied many new commands of AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.